Hey guys, welcome back to your review channel. Today I'm looking at a microphone, actually Shure SM7B. This is my first time ordering something like this. I've had other microphones in the $100 range or so, and I was okay with them, but sometimes it's like some hum and some noise and just there's some feedback issues and sound quality. So I wanted something a little bit better quality, and I sprung for it. I do a quick unboxing. I want to show you how it comes. It's actually bigger than I thought, and it's heavier than I expected, and I was pretty excited about that. So it comes in a little slip case like this here. It comes with a box. Let me just show you the box real quick. This is how the box comes, just like here. There's a little seal. You break the seal open and you open it up just like this. This is the experience. So if you ever want to know what it looks like, this is the experience, what it is. So I'm going to do some testing with this as well. So stay tuned to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, okay? And I'll be doing some tests with the 3 different microphones I bought the last 3 years, and you can hear the difference, and you can go over different specifications and really just basically the sound. Really the difference is the sound. How does it handle the room sound? I was getting all kinds of audio feedback. Not so audio feedback, electrical feedback. I was getting electrical noise and hums, and I couldn't get rid of it, and I think this is going to solve my problem. So we're just going to do a quick unboxing. This is how it comes. Comes like this packaging. It comes with all this information inside the box. Get some more information online. Comes with a very cool Shure sticker. Now, if you don't know anything about Shure, Shure's been around for a very, very long time, and they're really high quality audio for a very long time. I've had all kinds of Shure items in the past, but this is the first time I've done like more of a podcast or a recording microphone. So this is what's in here. Unbox this. Take that out, and what's in the package. So in the packages we have an adapter ring. So depending on what boom arm you have, you can have an adapter ring. Is a tie for if you're running your wire for your XLR. This is an XLR microphone, so that's what this is. Oh, sorry about that. This is the microphone itself. Before we do the microphone, let's just open this up here. What's in here is a huge windscreen, but I don't think I'm going to need this, honestly. From what I've seen, if you're outside or you really want to get some different, if there's a lot of noise in the background, this really cuts a lot of noise out. I don't think I'm going to need it, but that comes with this huge windscreen, which is really nice. This is a plate that goes in the back of it. I'll show you that in a minute. Just pull out the microphone, and I was surprised that when I first pulled this out, it's pretty heavy. I was pretty shocked about that. This is not a cheap build at all. It is very, very heavy. And here's what it looks like here. I love the boom arm. I like the way this works. It's got the big adapter in the bottom here. I think that's 3/8, I believe. It's got the XLR cable right here. It is heavy, heavy duty. Super quality. I love the build on this so far. So what you have here is some different things. It comes factory set with some dip switches that you can adjust depending on the sound you're looking for. I'm going to keep it the way it came from the factory. And this is the plate that goes in the back. So once you do your adjustment, you just take out the 2 screws and pop the plate in the back just to protect that so no one touches the settings. And that's what that's for. So that's what's in the box, exactly like this. So let's get this out of the way real quick. Move this over here. So what I'm using right now, so this is the Audio Technica AT2040. That's what I've been using. It's around $100, and this is around retail around $500. I got it on sale on Black Friday for $350. I'll leave a link down below. If it's still on sale, go ahead and grab it. Even if it's not on sale, I think it's a great microphone. I think the build of it is absolutely amazing. I'm going to hook it up to my boom arm. And then we'll just do a quick test, and I'm going to do a side-by-side comparison. So just stay tuned to the channel, subscribe to the channel, and you'll see more videos. I have 3 or 4 different ones that I purchased in the last few years, and we can do a side-by-side comparison just to see which one sounds great. So this one does sound good, but I think this one sounds better. Like I said, the biggest issue I'm having is sound. So the microphone is good, but it's not insulated enough for a lot of electrical issues in this room. And if you listen carefully, you can hear that, right? Listen. A little humming noise. So the humming, and I can't get rid of it. I've tried filters, I tried everything. And it's just quite annoying. So I got to keep post-production, keep editing it. It's just annoying as you know what. So I'm going to pop this in real quick and see if this does it. I don't think it's going to. I don't think it will. I think this is a much better quality insulated microphone. I think it's going to fit into my boom arm fine. And we're going to do a quick test, and then we're going to do, so subscribe to the channel. We'll do some more testing in the future about the side-by-side. We'll look at the specs and everything. But if you're interested in a Shure SM7B, it's probably one of the best in the industry as far as overall performance and overall quality. All right, I'm going to do a quick cutaway. I'm going to be right back, and then you're going to hear this microphone. Okay, guys, I just changed the microphone to the SM7B. How does this one sound? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I just have the regular filter on here. I didn't change it out. This is what it sounds like. And here is the old microphone. And one thing I did notice right away, that there's no more noise in the room. So if you're having difficulty with electrical noises, it's probably because your microphone's a little bit cheaper and doesn't have enough insulation. I am using a Focusrite 2i2 3rd generation as a preamp and also a cloud lifter as well, just to let you know. I can crank it up all the way up here. As you can see, I have a way up there. I'm a little bit far away, but you can hear there's plenty of headroom there. You can just crank that right down, get right down where it should be. And that's probably a good spot right around there to get some good audio. And how does it sound? I think it sounds pretty good. I don't think I even need this humongous pop filter. It's absolutely huge. Look at the size of this thing. This thing is a monster. This is crazy. And I'm recording this in OBS, just so you know. Don't need this adapter because my boom arm was able to handle the adapter, the size. Don't think I need this, honestly. This does come off if you wanted to. It just basically slides off and you can just slide this right on if you want that. Definitely hear less noise in the microphone. It doesn't pick up everything. This one did pick up all the noises when I was tapping it. This one does not. So that's a really good thing as well. So I think overall the quality of build is excellent. How do you think it sounds? Leave some comments down below. Tell me if it's good. I'm going to do some more testing, more side-by-side comparison. Just want to do a quick unboxing, see, let you hear how it sounds. And so far, I do like it quite a bit. I don't have any more humming in the background, which is really good. I love that. And there's plenty of sound here, plenty of audio. I think it sounds fantastic. I love it. All right, guys, so that's what I have for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate you tuning in and watching this quick unboxing. I did purchase this myself. I bought this myself. This is not sponsored. And Shure did not give me this microphone. I had to buy this one myself. I buy them all myself, basically. If I didn't, I would let you know. Okay, guys, I appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and see more videos in the future. I think this is going to work out well for my reviews and my podcasting. I think it's going to be awesome. I like the quality. It's really, really clean. And that's the main thing. You want to have good, clean audio. Make sure it's just you can hear everything what's going on, and it's super quality, and I do love it. Okay, guys, appreciate it, and I'll see you at the next review. And stay tuned to subscribe to this channel, and I'll do some more comparison videos on this item here. I'm talking around 4 inches away from the microphone, just to be clear, just to let you know. And this one, the same thing as well. I did like it, but the only problem is just too much sound. You can hear everything, and this one here is much better. All right, guys, appreciate it, and stay tuned for more videos. And I'm going to do some more comparisons, so watch this.